Keep your compound clean. Because of this, that's why this flower. I mean, that's why the compound looks dirty always. If it rains, guys. Hello, what's up guys? Here your girl this mission to my channel subscribers. I salute you all, and if this is your first time here, do subscribe. Talking live from the village, and usually in the village on Saturdays, guys, it's very much amazing here at the village. We don't cook small portions, like we usually cook huge. You see this one here, you see this. I can't I can't bring it up on myself, guys. Let me try. It's very heavy. Let's see what's inside, guys. Bring the camera closer. See, guys, what we have cooked. This is corn, and usually corn in every Saturday we usually cook this so that you don't get tired with cooking, because it is a weekend, guys, and usually weekends we usually cook this food here. So guys, drop a comment what you think about this video here, guys. And we don't have the lid. I'm using this tray just to cover it up over like this, guys. So this is the village. You don't need to struggle a lot, like, guys. So we usually use firewood, like every day. You deal with firewood when you are working in the village, guys. So drop a comment, guys, and hope you enjoyed the video always from my village. Now I am at home. We do enjoy the videos fresh from the village, guys. So thank you so much. Thank you for watching yesterday's video. Thank you for supporting me. For my new subscribers, continue watching this video here from my new village. If you are new here, this is my village, guys, and I really appreciate the love that you are showing us every day. This one here, we usually put it here. It is for scooping, like the charcoal, guys. And here you may wonder what is here. This one here, we usually use it to black tea. And if you are a farmer here at the village, blacking tea, these are the baskets that we usually use, and this is the big barrel, guys. Thank you, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. We don't have chickens nowadays, as you can see over there. That is a cage for the chickens, but we don't have even one. Even if a visitor comes here, nothing. So if you can support me, buy one chicken. Thank you so much. Boom, 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 boom. That's our dog. So this is our outdoor kitchen, guys. And there's someone in there. Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Sendwave.
Which grade are you?
Grade 6.
Which school?
St. Joseph.
St. Joseph. Where is it?
Up there.
Up there. Which county? Yamira County. You don't know where your school is? Wow. So, what do you think about cooking this gideri? Do you love it?
Yeah.
You love it how? Because it is cooked once for a while. Oh, so what are you? I see that you are going to do your hair today.
Yes.
So guys, from there is a video that I took that we wanted to demonstrate to demolish the outdoor latrine, and we put it here. Actually, we have not done it like, and we have just placed this iron sheet and some posts so that when we get the money, like, we're gonna start building this one. It is just a hole, but because of unavoidable circumstances, we could have started to build this toilet here, guys. So it is very risky, I know, when you leave it just like this, because someone may fall down. That's why we have just put this one here. So from the other video, I told that the toilet that is down there, we are supposed to demolish it and bring it here, because we have the inside the washrooms, we have them inside, so that's why we had put it here, so that we're gonna make it we're gonna build it maybe later, when maybe we're gonna get some money, guys. Yeah. And there it's fresh. When you are going up there, that's my late parents' house. It's over there. If you can see, there's a video that we took from there, guys. So this is the fence here, like, but we usually hang our clothes here on this wire there, guys. Also green plantain, guys. There we cooked matoke from the other video, guys. So that's how it looks when it grows here, like, guys. And when it is on the stem, that's how it looks when it is fresh, when it has not been cut down. Waki. Yeah. So Wakira means good morning here in my village. So that is it. What I wanted to show you, that is how I usually show you such a small gates here in the village. It's very simple, because you can do it by yourself, you can make it by yourself, guys. So that's why you see it here. And then you open like this. If we close just like this, and then you open it like this. This is very heavy, and if someone opens who is new, it's gonna bang like this, and then you will know that there is someone who is coming. So actually, guys, I was telling you that is the toilet that we want to demolish, because we want to remove it from there, because it is just near the house. That's why we want to remove it from there, guys. So this is how it looks here. Hope you enjoy the video, guys. Yeah. So what's up, guys? Here I got Grace Mission. I usually appreciate the love that you usually show me always, guys. So, and sometimes we usually sit here. If a visitor comes and finds that there is no one here, this is where you can relax, and it has also, you can charge your phone here. If you find that no one is here, you can sit here and relax and wait, guys. Also, we have a shade up here. If it rains, you are very safe, guys. Also, we have electricity here outside here, and you can charge your phone here, guys, if you want to charge outside here. And you can sit here, guys. As usually, we planted this grass here. We bought it, this grass here. It is very soft, but I think the soil is not that good. That's why it has not grown this side here, because other people are stepping there, guys. And our dog is here. This is the house of our dog. For those ones who don't know whether we have a dog, guys, this is our dog. Hello, it is here. Hello, hello, hello. How are you? How are you, Nee? How are you, Nee? How are you, Nee? So, guys, we rock it here, guys. It's very soft, because it doesn't come out in the, like, day hours, we usually close it here, guys. Hello, hello, Simba. Hello, how are you, Nee? How are you, Nee? How are you? So that is it usually drinks water there, and we usually put, that is where it eats from, guys. Yeah. Hello, hello, hello. How are you? Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. It's very big, guys. It's very big. See how it is. I don't want it to come outside because it's very safe. It's very risky if we put it outside in day hours. Guys. So we usually lock it with a stick. It cannot happen. We lock it with a stick, guys. So the sun is over here, and the time now is like 9. It's in the morning, guys. And today's weather, I see that it's going to rain early. It's going to rain early. You can see the weather out there. Yeah, this is it. This is the village, and my brother is there. Anakunywa chai. Mangalie.
Go.
He's taking some tea. This morning I told you that's why they are having tea in the morning. And usually here in the morning we usually have tea. And if you have githeri, like it is on Saturdays, you can have tea and githeri, guys. So this is it. This is the village. Drop a comment what you think about this video. Talking live from my village home, born in Africa, raised in this village here, the way you usually see it. That's where we are raised. Trained in this African style, like everything is simple. You don't need to stress yourself, guys. Like you wake up in the morning, you clear the place. Like now I haven't done you see a lot of flowers on the floor. I need to sweep here, guys. Yeah. So guys, you may wonder what is here. Actually, if we may remove these leaves here, there's a hole here, guys. There's a hole here. Usually this hole is a toilet, and we put these posts here so that when we get time, like money, that's when we are going to finish building this toilet here, guys. So guys, thank you for coming to support me. I hope we may end up this video here. God bless you. Let's meet in another video. Bye bye, and God bless you. Ciao ciao. Thank you so much. Bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye. Subscribe. Thank you so much.